Hi everyone, welcome to English Fluent Talk. Today, let's talk about something very important. Why you should stop translating in your mind when speaking English. When you speak English, do you first think in your mother language and then translate every word? If yes, that's the reason you speak slowly. Translating in your head takes time. You start to forget words, make grammar mistakes, and lose confidence. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think in English. So how can you do that too? Let's see some simple tips. Tip 1. Learn short phrases, not single words. Say, go to school instead of just go or school. Tip 2. Speak in easy sentences. For example, I wake up early. I go to class. I use my phone. Simple and natural. Tip 3. Listen and repeat. When you watch a video or podcast, repeat the same lines. Your brain will start to think in English automatically. Tip 4. Talk to yourself. Describe what you see. There is a book on the table. The fan is moving. It's an easy daily practice.